Hi, this is Sohani. Welcome to Banking Basics. Today's video is on how to open a bank account in India. So let's begin. The two main methods are online and offline. Indian banks have been mandated by the RBI to authorize the opening of an account only when the customers have made available certain important documents. Moving on to the standard document requirements. For proof of age and identity, PAN card or a voter ID or passport or driving license, Aadhaar card or ration card. For residential proof, a driving license or a utility bill in the name of the applicant or a voter ID or passport. Recent passport size photographs are a must for filling out the forms, and more documents may be required other than the ones mentioned. They vary from bank to bank. Now, let me explain the steps involved in opening an offline account. Step number one, a decision about the type of bank account has to be made, as well as a convenient branch has to be chosen. Step number two, a bank account opening form has to be filled. This is a generic form offered by all banks in India. This is an example of the bank account opening form, and this is another example. Step number three, in most cases, a bank requires references from existing account holders, so the introducer will be required to sign the column meant for this purpose. Step number four, the form is submitted along with other important documents. And step number five, the bank officer verifies the forms as well as the information and gives their approval for the opening of the account. I have shared the steps which are involved in the opening of an offline account. Let's discuss its counterpart, opening an online account. Step number one, visit the official website of the bank. Step number two, fill in the same bank account opening form but online. And step number three, submit documents for video KYC. What is KYC? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It has an online version called Video KYC. KYC is a method used by the bank representatives to verify the identity of their customers and to ensure that the information shared by those customers is legitimate and it does not involve any money laundering risks. This is an example of the KYC form, and these are the steps involved in video KYC. At the very end of the process, after your account has been opened either online or offline, the bank sanctions your new account and issues the following: number one, bank account number; number two, customer ID; number three, debit card; and number four, checkbook.